Alright, so this is what it looks like from being inside a boat. Or the kayak, actually, sorry. This is kind of the view around. A little bit hard to balance when you're holding the phone. You can see we just kind of went right a little.
Man, both of them were working together. Mine's taking the day off.
Ah, my hand. Here's the water experience, you know. Quite cool.
No way, dude. Oh, that's so cool. Let's do that. That's where we're going.
Yeah, so overall, I think that this is definitely worth waiting because we had to wait from 2:17 to 5 o'clock or about 5 o'clock to do this. Yeah, so I think it was definitely worth the wait, and it is very fun. I'll see you guys later.